welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lucy again with a new video, and today I created this prom look. I know in some of other places prom already passed, but for my high school it hasn't, so that's why I wanted to give you guys an idea, and I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video and like this look. And if you wanna know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. And I know I look so weird with the tape on, but you know we gotta do it. So I'm gonna be going next with my Morphe palette, and we're gonna be using this color. I will put the name down below.
All we'll ever trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Next we're gonna be going with this one.
And on we'll go.
This one.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll.
And then this one.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And then lastly, we're gonna be using this one.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the way.
And then I'm gonna be cutting the crease again with the Colourpop Concealer, and then I'm gonna be going in with the JCat Beauty glitter.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So now I'm gonna be applying the glue and then the glitter.
Close till I get out.
That I added glitter, I'm gonna go with this one and try to blend it in.
Storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go and add eyeliner. You guys can see here the tape really does help. See? I have decided not to do a wing. I'm just gonna do it like this. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna be going with my primer, and it's by Too Faced. these two foundations. I'm also going to be using this liquid highlighter.
Create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Then I'm gonna go with the concealer again.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by to see the horizon.
Then I'm gonna go next with the Femi powder. And you guys, this thing is amazing. I barely started using it, and by far it's my favorite one. Hey, do you guys see the finish? I'm in love with this powder.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
I added more powder on the bottom of my eyes, so now I'm going to be going back with the Morphe. And I'm going to be using this color here. I actually added mascara and eyeliner on my waterline. So now I'm going to be using this eyelashes. Then I'm going to be adding these two Colourpop lipsticks. And this is the finish. Look, you guys.